Welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how to find the nth highest salary in SQL in different way. First, by using the temp table, by using the CTE common table expression, and by using the derived table. Why I discussing this question in my channel? Because I already started one playlist, one series that is called the crack interview question. So basically, in this playlist I will provide the video in both languages, Hindi, always Hindi and English both, because for the some student we have difficulty to understand the Hindi language, and someone are comfortable to understand the English language or the Hindi language. So for the same, I decided to prepare the all the video which is related to the SQL classes and the SQL interview question. So all video I will provide in the both language, English and English. Remaining video I provide in the Hindi language only. So we have one important question which is most of time, if you face any SQL interview, then interviewer will definitely ask you how can we find the nth highest salary. So reason behind to ask this type of a question, that interviewer try to understand the employee, though the student who came for the interview, they have the knowledge of the writing the code or not. They have the understanding in the temporary table. They have the understanding in the city derived table, and the most important thing is they have the understanding on the ranking or not, because ranking is very important function which is used to find out the to solve this question. So before start, I have this SQL Server Management Studio, and you can see I have one table, that is table called employee test, and some data I got inserted. So the question is, they will ask you what is the third highest salary in the employee test table, or department wise in department software what is the second highest salary, or what is the third highest salary in department wise. So to achieve this question, we should have the knowledge on the rank function. So basically a rank function have four types. First one is a rank function, different second one is dense rank, third one is the row number, and fourth one is the entile. So what is the key difference between these all four functions? So if you cover this question, you will basically understand what is the rank function, what is the temp table, what is the CT, what is the derived table. So entire concept will cover in this one single question also. So if you solve this question, if you watch this video, you got the concept of 4 to 5 topic. So please watch till the in the video. So if you talk about the rank function, they will basically give the rank of this particular column. So I use salary column. So you can see in the salary column they give the 1 to 3, but when the salary means salary duplicate, they give the same ranking 4 4 4 4 only, but they skip the next 5 6. You can see 5 6 is not available. So basically rank function I will give the ranking for the duplicate value, but the skip the next value. So they understand this is the 6, this is the 5, this is the 6, then they give 7, because this is so this function we cannot achieve the high salary. So next, to achieve the high salary we need to use the dense rank. So dense rank basically give the same number for the duplicate value, as well as the next value will not, by using the temp table. So I have I have table employee test. So employee test table is basically the core table which is the store in the database, is the Pandey Guruji database. But if you talk about the temporary table, I'm giving you the basic idea what is the temporary table. So temporary table is basically will use to store the data for temporary point of view. So while you create any of the table, if you putting the single hash, and that is the called the local temp table, and if you putting the double hash, that is called the global temp table. So local temp table it basically will in particular window is there, but global temp table is basically is available in the particular session. So let's start how we can achieve this requirement, this question by using the temporary table. So what we're doing, we just creating the dense rank over this table, that is the employee text table. In employee text table you can see one dense rank was I given the one alias name of the column, that is salary rank is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 4 4 is there. So entire data I'm putting into one temp table, that is the called the highest salary. So I use into command to store the data, and first create the table and store the table. So this is the way we can create the temporary table and store the data. So I have the highest salary column is there, in the table is there, in highest salary table we have column is there salary rank. If you want to find out the fifth highest salary, sixth highest salary, just you can put the salary rank. So this is a very simple way we can achieve this question. We can give the answer of this question. But sometimes the interviewer they will ask you the cross question that I don't want to use the temporary table. I want to use how we can achieve in a different way. And also if you want to find out this by using the department, because this salary 5 is you can come the department software and BPO. So if you have the requirement to find out the second high salary for the software or third high salary for the BPO, just you can use the partition by command into the department table. So if you use the partition, I giving the different temp table name, because if temp table is got created into command will not work. So I given the I storing the data into highest salary by department table, and if you want the second highest salary of the BPO, just you can give the department name is equal to BPO and rank is equal to 2. If you want to third highest salary of the BPO, just you can change the salary rank. So you can see the third highest salary of the BPO department is the 15,000. Now how we can achieve same requirement by using the CT. So CT, what is the CT? CT is the common table expression, which is the one type of the object in the Microsoft SQL Server, and basically used to store the data for the temporary point of view. The same like the temp table, in the CT is also available for the temporary point of view. So in the temp table, we need to create by using the create table command. But CT is basically used to create by using the with clause. So with CT name, and you can pass the column name. So whatever column name you pass, you can insert the data in the that column. So I inserting employee ID, first name, last name, salary, department. Last column is RNK. I'm inserting the dense rank for this column by using the employee text table. So once the CT is created, if I use the rank 6, then we can find the sixth highest salary. But one CT, keep in mind that if you CT created, we need to immediate take the action. Like if you put the different command like select star from dim a customer, dim account, the select statement will be not this CT is not available, and we can you can see this will throw in the error. So if you need to take any action, you need to put the immediate after the bracket closing. So through the CT you can update the data into the core table, you can modify the data into the core table. So now you can see CT will execute. So 6 highest salary is 17,000. In the same, if you want to by the partition, but you can use the partition by to see the department's second highest salary for the department software. So I given the different city name, and the I'm using the same concept here. So the second highest salary of department software is 35,000. So this is way we can use by city, and you can get the high salary. Next concept is how we can find out the by using the derived table. So basically, what is the derived table? Derived table is nothing but is a sub query. So when we putting the select star from employee, so after the from we putting the we use the table name. But in place of the table name, if you use the some type of the sub query or some type of the query, and that is the called the derived table. So what actually we doing here, we just extracting the data by same putting the rank function, and within the that I given the one alias name is k, and k rnk is equal to 3. So select start from select dense rank over order by salary descending order as rank from department employee test, and where k rank is equal to 3. So we got the what is the highest third highest salary in this department. So 30,000. You can use the I given you assessment, you can use the partition by in the derived table, just you can use the partition clause here. So this is the different way we can find the we can resolve this question, because interviewer, if you have the 1 year of fresher or 2 years experience also, they will ask you this question, how you can find the nth highest salary in the SQL. So hope you understand this question. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt, and if you attend any interview and you not able to solve any type of the question, just you can put the question in the comment. I will definitely make a video and respond to you. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.